Hello students, I'm Muhammad Dilshad. I'm here to teach you Beehive English Reader Ncert book for ninth class. Before starting classes, you should know that this reader aims at helping the student to read for meaning and to communicate in English with confidence and accuracy. According to your grade, you should keep some points in your mind to learn systematically. First point is reading. You should concentrate on good pronunciation while reading because good pronunciation is beautiful skill. Punctuation understanding, it is also necessary because without understanding punctuation system, nobody can understand what is being said and what is being written. Third point is meaning. If you want to read for meaning, you should have vocabulary and structure understanding. Without vocabulary and structure understanding, it is difficult for you to understand meaning of that language. Second point which should be kept in mind, that is writing. And in writing, we can understand handwriting, that is beautiful skill, and handwriting should be clear and clean. Second thing which should be pointed in mind, that is dictation. And third thing is content writing. Content writing means you should be able to express yourself, to explain your own thoughts in your own words. You should be able to write essay, and you should be able to write something about anything. You should be able to write some sentences to explain anything, to explain your passion, to explain your surroundings, to explain your atmosphere related thing. And third point is grammar. Grammar is the thing which is very necessary to learn any language for translation and understanding.